Welcome back. It's been a couple weeks since I've done a video. Been busy, you know how it goes. Got the little PT Cruiser out. I had said previously in a video that a few of the mechanical issues had gotten taken care of with it, and while it was at that shop, a shovel hit the fender. So now I'm gonna fix the fender before it ever even got to see the road, unfortunately. See right there, put a pretty good sized little ding in it and gashed it all the way down to the sealer. That's really unfortunate. All right, was able to get in behind here, drop the wheel liner out, get in behind and work out most of it, sanded it, and I got it to where it'll be close enough where I can just prime it now, not actually have to put any mud in it anyway. So that's more ideal, that I don't have to mud it, so that's good. All right, got her all primed here. Ah, there, fly. All right, it's primed. Now I'm gonna wheel it over into the booth and hit the bake on it. Bake it at 125 degrees for like a half hour or so, and then I'll be able to bring it right back out, sand it right away, finish up getting everything ready, and get this fender painted yet today. All right, it's primed, baked, and I blocked it out already. So the dent is gone. Didn't need to put any mud in it or anything. Was able to just prime it and block the primer out, so that's better. Makes it less likely anything will shrink in the future. Yeah, now I'm gonna, haven't decided yet if I'm pulling the fender off or just pulling a bunch of parts to get it masked. I'm gonna kind of figure that out as I go. The reason being was 99% of the time I would pull the fender to paint it here, just because it doesn't leave paint edges anywhere, but this thing was actually a really big pain to get all the alignment right, from like the bumper to the grill to the headlight to the door to the hood. Just tons of parts from all different cars, and you know, aftermarket fenders and bumper, and kind of don't want to have to realign everything if I can. I mean, yeah, I'm gonna have to drop the headlight out of it at least for sure, drop the corner of the bumper, do all that, but just kind of see if I can make it work and mask it with it on, or if I got to pull it all apart here. So leaving the fender on was going to be more of a pain than it was worth, so I pulled it, got it all scuffed and ready to go and whatnot. It's now back here in the booth. Nice day out. So I got it all wiped down. Gonna seal over the spot that's primed, and then paint it. All right, got the sealer on. It's in the middle of drying right now. Got the single stage shaking on the shaker over here. Camera picks that up kind of funny. It's shaking though, I promise. It's all right. Let's put some more paint on it now here. When it comes to painting them, sometimes, you know, depending on what it is, if it's complete, if it's a solid color, and if it's a customer job or one of my own, I'll kind of decide like if I want to use a single stage or a base clear. Like her car is single staged and then flat cleared on the roof, the top part on that PT. Like on my Clips, when I redid that a couple years back, that one I base cleared the whole car. And I think I single staged the engine bay though. I don't remember. I'd have to go back and check. But it kind of just depends. That one I base cleared it because I actually used the original Mitsubishi paint code for the black that's on it. It's more of a brown black compared to like the single stage that's used on my wife's PT. That's more of a blue black, and the blue blacks are deeper and darker looking, but just to use the correct stuff, that's why I base cleared my Clips with the actual Mitsubishi paint code. But I'm gonna get some color on this fender. That is one painted fender. Alright, hit the bake on it and let it dry. Come back later today to put it together. Nice. A couple hours later now, fender's all done and baked and dried, and I'm gonna start putting the PT back together. Show you the fender here quick. No longer has a dent right in that area. One other little thing I like to do when I paint them too is I actually base and clear the inside edges on the fender, because that's where they like to start rotting, you know. So seal them and clear them in there, and then spray some rust proofing in there, and they last a really long time before they start actually rotting out. So it's a good way to do it. But I'll probably leave it off at this because it's not too exciting to see PT with a fender back on it, but just figured I'd give you a little update on what's been going on here and what I've been working with. Kylie's GST is getting really far along. I didn't get any more footage of that because it still was so hectic and people everywhere, but the motor is in the engine bay now, and he's got it wired. So it's on to now plumbing everything, getting the new fuel setup done and whatnot. So that car should be ready to fire within a week or two. So that'll probably be the next stuff you see coming, but I'm gonna leave it off at this. Like and subscribe, share the video if you want. Thank you.